This will be a water test between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus in cosmic gray versus the iPhone 11 Pro in this matte gold color. Very nice. Now, both of these phones are water resistant, IP67 or 68 in the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, I'm not exactly sure which one it is. Somebody in the comments let me know. Is the iPhone 11 Pro, is this IP67 or is it IP68 for this phone? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. Galaxy S20 Plus, this one is IP68 rated. All right. So this is just going to be a very simple test. Here are the two phones. This is my bucket right here. That's my hose. I'm just going to throw the phones in there, douse it with water, and then see what happens. All right, let's have a look at the phones real quick. Let's check this out. As you can see, both are in working order. Swiping around, and then, as you can see there, man, that 120 hertz on the S20 though, buttery smooth. I love it. Here's the iPhone. So both phones are in working order, as you can see. All right. So what I'm gonna do right now is we'll start with the 11 Pro, and I'm just gonna place it in there, right? Very nice. And then I'm gonna do the same thing here to the S20. Oh man, gotta say that this is kind of difficult to do. I mean, iPhone 11 Pro is a nice phone. I just got the S20 Plus, a couple days ago, right? And now I'm already doing this. Well, doing it for science, right? All right, here's my hose, as you can see. And let's see, what is on shower? I don't think that's good enough. I gotta put it on jet. So let me do that right now. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. Let's see. Gotta move this over to jet. Come on, cooperate. Or do I have to put the camera down? I don't think I can do it. Oh shit. Aha, okay. Well, this might actually work. Soaker. There, this will work. All right, so there's the two phones. Here's the hose. All right, it's kind of tricky because obviously I do not want my Sony a6600 to get wet and my Sigma lens. So how am I gonna do this? All right, I think this will work. Let's go. This is not working. Oh, it's on mist. I don't want mist. No. Oh, it's in between like two things. No, I want soaker. Cone. I guess cone will work. We'll go with cone. Woo, baby. All right, I think this is good enough. How do you turn this off? All right, I think this is good enough. All right, give me a second. All right, man, I have to turn off the faucet. Maybe I'm just a dummy, but don't really know how to work this nozzle. It's like different. Huh, interesting. All right, anyway, there's the phones right there. So you can see, get this out of the way. All right, so let's just have a look. Let's just have a look right meow. I'm gonna grab both at the same time and we'll just have a look. Now actually, hold on a second, let me spread out my towel here. It's probably a good idea. Let me spread this out and then we're gonna go grab the phones. Give it a little shake in the water. Why not? And then here it is, so you can see. All right, whew. Man, that water's cold too. All right, now fresh out the H2O, we're just gonna check out the screens. Do they still function? They do function. Whoops. Swiping around, man, that 120 on the S20 though. Here's the iPhone. Still works. Let's go ahead and check out the camera. So I'm gonna grab, what is this? Allow once. New in camera, blah, 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 continue, and all that jazz. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a picture of what's in front of me, which is that right there. So I'm gonna take a picture of that and put it in the video. And as you can see, the live function also works. And then let's go ahead and we'll go video. And then let's see, I want this in 4K. So I'm gonna change it to 4K 30. 4K 60. Does this not do 4K 30? Well, we'll just go with the HD 30 then. And I'll record right now. All right, this is the test of the iPhone 11 Pro after the water test. All right, this is the test of the iPhone 11 Pro after the water test. Just a quick little video here. Let me know of the video and audio quality. All right, late. Just a quick little video here. Let me know of the video and audio quality. All right, late. All right, so I'll put that in the video. And then I'm gonna do the same thing now to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. All right, here we go. Take a picture of this and take the shot. Boom. And then I'm gonna go video and I'll take a quick video. All right, this is a sample video of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus after the water test. All right, this is a sample video of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus after the water test. Let me know the video quality and also the audio quality. All right, late. Let me know of the video quality and also the audio quality. All right, late. All right, here we go. And then finally, let's go ahead and test out the YouTube. So I'm just gonna go on Chrome real quick and I'll just do a search on it. And then I'm gonna go, let's see, I'm gonna go, yeah, this one.
So it's your friend's birthday. How do you find the perfect gift? Download the Amazon app and let it find you.
I am hearing a little bit of a gurgling sound from the speaker. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna give it a good shake, fling all the water out. And I think it should be fine, actually. So I'm gonna do that with this. And then we'll try again right now. Should work. I don't see why not. Skip trial. Take a look at the speaker right there. There's the earpiece. No, I'm gonna give it a pass. It works for the most part. There was a little bit of water initially in the speaker, but I shook the phone, flung all the water out, and with more time, let the phone dry, I think the speaker will come back to 100%. Let's do the same thing right now to the iPhone. And then we'll do the exact same thing. Gotta say, the iPhone sounds pretty good too. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna shake the phone a little bit, fling all the water out, and then do it again. Check out the earpiece. Well, I gotta say, sounds pretty good. So rest assured that if you encounter some water with your iPhone 11 Pro or Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or even the Ultra, that your phone should be fine. These phones are IP67 or 68 water and dust resistant, which can come in handy if you're in that kind of situation. So let me know what you thought about this quick little water test in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.